Alright, well here we are at the dog park. Interesting to say the least. But they're having fun. They're getting their walk in. It's very pretty. You guys need to get a really longer leash because this is just not long enough. They're managing. Where's Rosky? Where's Rosky? There's Rosky. There he is. Here comes Bill. These guys just go, 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 go. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Wait, Corky's got to poop. You can't pull them together. Okay. Where's Rosky? And this is our day at the dog park.